Welcome to my live. As you join me, we're going to be using this pedestal board and a size A transfer silkscreen. It's Eat Sweets and Be Spooky. It would be a cute little thing to put on the little table next to the bowl of Halloween candy that you'll pass out. If you pass out Halloween candy for trick or treat. All right, so we have this adorable transfer. Let's go ahead and peel the backing off on that. And we can take the base off. And we set that off to the side. All right, so let's stick this to the board. So I've picked out some really colorful chalk paste for this board. And now I am just smoothing the transfer down, making sure I don't have any wrinkles or bubbles in it, so that the chalk paste won't slip under the transfer and cause a little smudge. These transfers are made out of vinyl and they have the adhesive on the back, which makes them so easy to use. You don't have to be artsy. Anybody can do this. Okay, that's good. Now I've got a few colors I want to open. I have Parakeet, Grape Soda, Bright White, Orange Peel, Raspberry Sorbet, and Candy Apple. Okay, so my plotting and planning on how to do this. So the first thing I want to do is bring in some of these squeegees, because these are my tools for applying the chalk paste. Okay, so I am going to do the eat and the words and be in white, and then I'm going to do the sweets and spooky in orange peel. I'm going to do some various colors of the candies, and that's why we have so many colors open. So let's start off with getting the candy done. So we have a little candy corn over here, so we have to do orange for that. Okay, and then we've got Parakeet, which is a nice bright green, and then Grape Soda, which I think it should be named Grape Crush. And then we've got a couple pieces of candy up here. So let's put a little pop of raspberry, and Candy Apple. Working in little tight spaces. Sometimes you'll want to get your washi tape out and cover areas that you don't want to get too close to. But I took my time there, and so that turned out well. All right, so now I'm going to peel this, not all the way off, but just enough so that I can, real quick with the hair dryer on low, dry my pieces of candy before I do the words. So a little bit of noise here. Nice, bright, colorful candy on this transfer. So try to think of your favorite candy flavors, and you can literally pick whatever chalk paste you've got or coordinate it with Halloween theme. So once it's dry, and that seems pretty good, then we're going to put this transfer back down, smooth it back down here, because we still have to chalk these words. Okay, I think that looks great. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our white areas. We were going to do the word eat in white. And you can go, the nice thing about these silk screens is you can go any direction, up, down, side to side that you are comfortable with. And then just getting that excess off, put it back into the jar. A little bit goes a long way. Got tight borders here to get these little words. Okay, let's go ahead and peel this back and we'll dry the white words. The only reason I'm doing this in multiple steps to get all of it done is because it is really hot where I am today, and chalk paste sometimes acts like it dries really fast on a hot day or a humid day, and I don't want it to dry and cause too much trouble here. All right, where was that? Yeah, right above the and. All right, I'm just applying a little bit of water to a cotton swab in my screen right here where I'm going to do a different color. A little bit of chalk paste got on that, so I just dabbed that off. Now we're going to dry this again. Okay, and it looks like my A needs a little bit of touch up. So I'm going to grab my paint brushes. I like to have a little skinny paintbrush for doing touch ups because you can get into the crevice. Let me bring you closer so you can see what I'm looking at. I'm going to come in a little bit here. Okay. So two things besides just your rinse water that you'll have to stick your transfer in, because these silk screens are reusable. It's kind of nice to have disinfectant wipes because those are good to do touch-ups. And I also love having like a little paintbrush where I can just get in and touch up an area. I'm just using water where a little bit of the chalk paste smeared on this board. I'm just touching it back up and removing the smudge. Very fine pointed paintbrush, and I'm literally just going back and forth until that's off of there, and that looks good. Okay, so let's hit that with the dryer. If you have any questions, feel free to put those in the comments. I will answer them as we go. That looks really good. Okay, that worked. All right, so we're going to put this transfer back down because now we're going to get the word sweets and spooky done in orange peel. So re-stick in here. These silk screens will last like 12 to 14 times, and if you really take good care of it, keep it nice and clean in between, which you just clean it with cold water. And I dry them on like a cookie cooling rack, sticky side up, then they're good to go. All right, we're gonna do orange peel. Love this color. It's like really good orange. Orange is my favorite color. Okay, then just smoothing it out, getting whatever excess I have, and go down here. That looks good. Let me check this. Why under here it's acting like it's got a bubble in it. Let me just see if it smeared it. No, it didn't. All right, so let's go ahead and peel this off. There we go. All right, so this transfer is going to go in the cold water, and we'll dry this again. Guys, that looks really super good. I like it a lot. Nice and colorful. All right, let's move this chalk paste, and we'll bring our pedestal back in. So this can go right by the candy bowl on Halloween. Eat sweets and be spooky. Love it. So cute. One of my favorites. Well, if you are not a member of my VIP group, just comment add me in the comments, and I'll make sure that you get in there. And also, if you like this video or enjoyed this video, love it and share it. And if you have friends and family who are not on Facebook, I am also on YouTube at Beth's Classy Chalking. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great Tuesday night. I hope to see you again at 9 tomorrow night. Bye.